The chief guests will be arriving in our midst, so we request your attention to kindly be on your feet and welcome the arrival of the chief guests.
My so, Joey na hanawi chief guest, a guest of honors, Tawe Lore, ni Pauso ni Bere, Savas my wish ni Kushila, ni Suni Suleke, Baro Sasani Taweo.
Ladies and gentlemen, our chief guest for the day, Sri David Lalrin Sanga, IPS officer, Special Commissioner of Police, Spuwak and Spunner, Delhi Police.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have with us the chief guest of today's event, Sri David Lalrin Sanga, IPS Special Commissioner of Police, Spuwak and Spunner, Delhi Police. The guest of honors, Sri T. Misau, Denix, Deputy Chief Electoral Officer, Delhi, and Sri Kime Kaming, IPS Joint Commissioner of Police, Traffic Operations, Delhi Police. Let us all give a round of applause as we welcome them. Please be seated. Thank you. Napumay Nagatsuramay Me, Delhi welcomes you, everyone, to the 36th Vedaujuna 2025. We have the chief guest, Sri David Lalrin Sanga, IPS, Special Commissioner of Police, Spuwak and Spunner, Delhi Police. The guests of honors, Sri T. Misau, Danix, Deputy Chief Electoral Officer, Delhi, and Sri Kime Kaming, IPS, Joint Commissioner of Police, Traffic Operations, Delhi Police. We have the special invitees, Spunner, PNUD, PBCD, PNCMD, Pioneer Academy, NSUD, NSUD Tribal Units, and Densu.
Hello. Hello, which were you here? Once again. Are we all low in energy? Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 36th Vedaujuna 2025, Pomai Nagatsu Miami, Delhi. Shall we all give a big shout out to Pomai Nagatsu Miami, Delhi? Are we excited to be here this afternoon? Yes? Shall we all rise to our feet and demonstrate how excited we are? All right? Please, I request your cooperation, yes? Okay. When I say long live, the audience will shout, will give a response, long live PNTMD from your side, all right? Are we ready? Okay. Long live! Long live! Thank you. That was a phenomenal response from the audience. May you kindly take your seats. Thank you. Well, before we kick off the session, may I have the pleasure of introducing my co-host, the talented, very tall and beautiful Dr. Joyce Pavane.
Thank you, Dr. Rinya. Indeed, this event is a celebration of togetherness, of who we are, and of where we come from. Veloju Mahan la his asaju 36th Vedaujuna Hanawi greetings I pay. We are extremely grateful. Thank you for your patience, chief guest, guest of honors, special invitees, and our beloved members from the NSUD Federative Units. We are delighted to welcome you to the Pomai Naga Tsirumaime Delhi Vedaujuna 2025 under the theme Embracing Culture, Celebrating Unity.
May the celebration of this event strengthen our connection to our roots and heritage. May this event also bring new opportunities and direction to those of us who have just started the journey in the city. We wish our community prosperity and progress on this historic day. Thank you.
As we gather in fellowship, let us all take a moment to remember that every success, every gathering is done best when we dedicate it to the Almighty. And to do this honor, I would like to invite Mr. Sheva Sapuna, Associate Pastor, PBCD, to lead us in the invocation prayer.
Chipologe. Leksanya hoi buju iramai. Ito leshi show buju ramai. Savika buju ramai. Niza lulu hopi de koko buju ramai. Zado hapuza zavai buju ramai. Nyate ko bupuza pukyu buju ramai. Niji dusho saluteo. Ito ne kala pomo shalohoe. Ito pumai lulu buju. Ito pumai ja thana hai. Ni ta pholo ne pumai tai ne ta pholo ne. Diki de ra de khota cholo ne. Ito ne wai so ne to ne pai pao ne ve kha hai da mu ju tai bu hana hin sapo ve pe ne puma. Has wai li puma paloe. La ra wai li puma doloe. Leader wai li paloe. Va wai li pe ngolo buza ramai ne ka the sure. Yo te le te the ro ramai ne ka lo pomo shalo hoe. Nini to pumana hanai hai leader wai pe. Has yu pe re. Nini to pumana puma la ra wai puma do ju. Do lu yu ma hai de pe buza hai de buza ramai ne ka lo sure. Ito yo te le te the ne ka lo pomo shalo hoe. Wai shu ju te le hana hai. Khâu tây lệ, po tây lệ hai tàu hai, nhiệt sơ đồ cái vấn đề yêu tàu pu mà na hai, po việt giờ khâu hai địa vui giờ nhiệt cả thế số rồi, yêu tây lệ tây tây tàu nhiệt hai việt giờ lúc giờ, pu mà na khâu cứ số nữa, cả thế số rồi đôi niệm muối, anh ra mình ní tàu hi talent chali bị khai thế, gift chali bị khai thế, pu mà sơ với đồ loa, dễ đồ với đồ loa, pu mà sơ đồ ít tàu nhiệt hậu giờ lo ta kore, po ta kore đôi nữa. Giờ với hai bề bộ đồ rồi, tôi tao về giờ kia giờ, mai lúc đấy bữa mà sáng đi đã khai số, giờ đồ với giờ với làm mấy tao bữa mà hai giờ, ni về hàng luôn mà số khai thế đôi nữa, ni hình về chỉ bơi, apu yêu tới tới hi, program hi lúc bây giờ mà tao với xe, ni sợ thay vào số bơi, ni biết tao hi, tao về lúc mai lấy cha bơi vào nữa, ý tao bữa mà sơ lúc một xí tao. Giờ đồ cái phong phú lo, sát thay ju, đồ số lại ju, chỉ bảo lại ju, sát thay vậy gì, program hay tập được bây giờ, nên job bây giờ này, ít đó alili, vậy bây giờ mà đồ luôn nữa, bớt hà này mà đã khai mở rồi nữa, apu này hình về chỉ bảo, yêu số được bây giờ, nên program hay tập được, đại học rồi, số chủ rồi được, nên bây giờ khai thì bây giờ mà, nên cả thế vậy số lo. Ni ka the du sho so la I to ma lo sa ne ni bi hang lo ta ma so lo dia apu Jisu Krista ji ni bachi po ko re amen.
Kalushore Mr. Sheva Sapuna, Associate Pastor PBCD, nenu hana haushredonyo tenu kaonyanyo akosupivazanyu. Thank you for invoking God's blessing upon this gathering. To begin this day, let us open our hearts to the rhythm and spirit that defines who we are as people. Ladies and gentlemen, to mark the opening of the year's Vedaujuna, let us welcome and put our hands together for our very own cultural troupe, the curtain raiser for this grand celebration. Let us all put our hands together to welcome the curtain raiser.
Jipumana. Honorala suwe. Jipumana. Jipumai Delhi. Vidana Tete. Loli Sungola. Doji Papa. Delhi Busamoy. Delhi Buchumoy. Anachu Kappa. Ramanilisha. Jipumana. Hasa Kelewa. Delhi Buhinu. Hasa Hangado Mavisobwe. Jipumana ye. Rapuvione. Sudu Susupwe. Jipumana Ramai Poshala. Kusali Suwa. Leroli Suwa. Javela Tawa. Shujulai. Lusumajuhai. Hanu Kaisulai. Hanu Kaisulai.
Ladies and gentlemen, this dance is mixed with rhythmic steps, fierce shouts, and synchronized movements. The dancers imitate scenes of hunting and warfare, symbolizing strength, protection, and victory. This dance is a celebration of identity, unity, and undying heritage of the Pomai Naga. This dance is not of conquest, but of remembrance and pride of our cultural heritage. This war dance stands not as a call to battle, but as a proud remembrance of the Pomai ancestors' bravery and an enduring celebrations of their rich cultural identity, a celebration of victory and joy, and a call to preserve the cultural heritage of the Pomai Naga community. Each stomp upon the earth calls upon the spirits of the ancestors. Each cry pierces the air like the call of the horn. Once again, the Pomai war dance is not a dance, not of conquest, but of remembrance and pride of our cultural identity and celebrating our rich heritage. Our sense of belonging can never be greater than our level of self-acceptance. Kalashore Neletoni Sutausoni, Judaluanio, Ipumai Tiju, Donu Pupa, Vishoni Supivazanio, my vishni battle pa di papulake.
Ladies and gentlemen, Chiolaza Itao, welcome remarks by Mr. Roland Trau, Convener Organizing Committee Hinika Yusule. Up next, we have welcome remarks from Mr. Roland Trau, the convener of the organizing committee. Ladies and gentlemen, I give the stage to Mr. Roland Trau.
Honorable Chief Guest and our guests of honor, respected President, our respected church leaders, our elders, our seniors, dear beloved brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon and warm greetings to each and every one of you. On behalf of the organizing committee, it is both my honor and great joy to welcome you all to this much anticipated Vedojuna Come Freshers Meet 2025. Today is not just a date on our calendar. It is a testament to our unity, our faith, our heritage, and most importantly, our shared commitment to grow stronger together. This gathering, rich in tradition and spirit, brings together generations under one roof. It is truly heartening to see so many respected people in our midst today. Pillars who have built the foundation we now stand upon. Your presence here today is a message to our youth that honor, dignity, and progress are best built on the soldiers of wisdom. To our leaders, our elders, and our community members, we thank you for your unwavering support and prayers throughout the preparations. Your guidance has been a light along this path. And to our young people today, look around you. You are not just attendees, you are the torchbearer. What we begin here today, you will carry forward into tomorrow. Veddaujuna is not more than just a celebration. It is a call to remember, to rejoice, and to renew. To remember where we come from, to rejoice where we are today, and to renew our shared vision for where we are going. Let today be a day where stories are exchanged, hearts are stirred, and dreams are reignited. Let it be a celebration of culture and character, of laughter and learning, and above all, of a community committed to faith, unity, and purpose. But beyond the songs, speeches, and celebrations, may today mark something deeper, a collective pursuit of progress. Let us ask ourselves, how can we grow as a Pomai people, as a family bound by love and legacy? Let this event be the soil from which new soil of cooperation, compassion, and creativity can grow. May today be a celebration to remember and a beginning to bring something even greater. Tavelobuju, Marshalahinsa, Zojitovi, Vedojun, come freshers meet and asasa, num najilesia, jo, Marshalahi, Popopwe. Long live Pomana. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Roland Trau, Convener, Organizing Committee, PNTMD, for your powerful and thoughtful words of welcome. Up next, we have a special appearance from the Pomai Baptist Church Choir. The Pomai Baptist Church Choir is a dynamic and spirit-filled choir, passionately devoted to singing gospel hymns. The choir comprises many gifted and professional singers. The choir has graced many major platforms in Delhi NCR and have been invited to numerous churches to minister through music. They have won several prestigious choral singing competitions, including the Northeast Choral Competition, where they emerged as champions in 2018 and 19, and secured runners-up in 4 other editions. More than just music, their ministry has become a powerful instrument in uniting believers and transforming many lives for God's glory. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Pomai Baptist Church Delhi Choir on stage. Please welcome them with a round of applause. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the Pomai Baptist Church, Delhi choir, with a soulful rendition of the song When Love Shines In. What a moving and soul stirring performance from the choir. Shall we give a round of applause for the star studded Pomai Baptist Church, Delhi choir?
Moving on, we have the presidential address, a moment to hear words of encouragement from the leader who continues to guide and inspire our union. Please welcome Mr. Rosavui Chahaumai, President BNTMD, on stage.
Good afternoon, everyone. All praise, glory, and gratitude to Almighty God for granting us this beautiful day and allowing us to gather in joy and unity. It gives me immense honor to stand before you on this momentous occasion of the 36th Vedaujuna Kam Freshesmet 2025. On behalf of the Pomai Naga Tsadamai Delhi, I extend my warmest greetings to our respected elders, distinguished guests, seniors, and our bright young freshers who have just joined the Pomai family in Delhi. Today we celebrate not just an event, but the enduring spirit of our community, a spirit of unity, hope, and shared purpose that defines us as Pomai Nagas. At the outset, I extend our heartfelt appreciation to our Honorable Chief Guest, Sri David Lalring Sangha, IPS, Special Commissioner of Police, Spooner and Spoovek, Delhi Police. Sir, your gracious presence amidst your demanding duties truly honors us. Your humility, commitment, and service to the Northeastern community in Delhi reflects strong leadership and compassion. Your vision and dedication to both Spooner and Spoovek reflect not only your professionalism, but also your heart for humanity, safeguarding the vulnerable, empowering the voiceless, and ensuring dignity for all. May God bless you with continued wisdom and strength in your noble service to the nation. We are equally privileged to have our guest of honor, Sri T. Misau Danix, Deputy Chief Electoral Officer, Delhi. Your dedication and service in the field of public administration stand as an inspiration to many. In a demanding and dynamic environment like Delhi, your commitment to integrity and impartial service reflects the true spirit of leadership that inspires us deeply. I also extend my appreciation to our guest of honor, Sri Kime Kameng, IPS, Joint Commissioner of Police, Traffic Operations, Delhi Police. Your distinguished service and professionalism in ensuring the safety and order of this vast city are truly commendable. Your journey as a law enforcement officer reflects courage, dedication, and a deep sense of responsibility towards society. We are truly honored by your presence, sir. We also warmly welcome our special invitees, representatives from Spooner, Pomai Naga Union Delhi, Pomai Baptist Church Delhi, Pomai Naga Catholic Med Delhi, Pioneer Academy, NSUD, Densu, and other tribal units. Your presence adds great warmth and solidarity to this gathering. The Vedaujuna Kam Freshesmet is not just an annual event. It is a proud tradition that for 36 years has stood as a testimony of our unity and shared identity. It is a time to celebrate our culture, reaffirms our bonds, and warmly welcome our new members into the family here in Delhi. This day is also a reminder that wherever we go and whatever we achieved, we remain one people bound by roots, faith, love for one another. To our dear freshers, congratulations and welcome. As you begin this new journey, remember that PNTMD is your extended family, your home away from home. Embrace every experience with humility, faith, and respect. Let us uphold the Pomai values and let your growth be guided by wisdom and character. Our journey as PNTMD has been possible because of the dedication and sacrifices of our past leaders and our members. Let us honor their legacy by carrying it forward with renewed zeal and unity. As Philippians chapter 2, verses 2 to 4 reminds us, be like-minded, having the same love, being in spirit and of one mind. Do nothing out of selfish ambition, but in humility, value others above yourselves. This year's theme, Embracing Culture, Celebrating Unity, captures the essence of who we are. Let us cherish our roots, speak our language, and live our culture meaningfully each day. Our true strength lies in unity. I repeat, our true strength lies in unity, standing together in love, faith, and purpose. Let us strive for excellence, but let our success be rooted in humility and service. The higher we rise, the deeper our roots must be. As we celebrate today, may we renew our commitment to unity, dignity, and mutual support. Let us continue to build a Pomai community that shines through character, compassion, and collective strength. I once again thank our honorable chief guest of honor, and special invitees for gracing us with your presence. May this 36th Vedaujuna Kam Freshers Meet 2025 be a celebration of hope, learning, and togetherness. Thank you. God bless us all.
Kalushore, Presidential Address, Mr. Rosavi Chahomai, Nenio Nivetelia Puto, Dipoivazanil. Every year, our union captures its journey, achievements, and the creative spirit within the pages of our Potsu annual magazine. To officially unveil the magazine, may I now invite our chief guest, along with the editorial team of the annual magazine, to come forward and do us the honor of unveiling the Potsu annual magazine. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as we witness this special moment of pride and creativity come to life. I request the chief guest, Shri David Lalrinsanga, IPS, Special Commissioner of Police, Delhi Police, along with the editorial team of the annual magazine, to kindly come forward on the stage.
I am releasing the annual magazine of the Pumai Naga Sizumai. Pusi. Pusu. Okay.
My Sohia request you Ali magazine Potsu magazine, annual magazine 2025 session chete copy chekili pupeo. It is only priced at 100 rupees, and we have so many enriching articles in the annual magazine. I would like a few of the interesting contents of the magazine. Living in harmony with nature, the role of indigenous knowledge in Christian faith. The undervalued educator, analyzing the discrepancy between teaching prestige and its compensation in Senapati district, Manipur. The negative impact of the black economy on honest living in Senapati. The Pomai Naga Odyssey, a community chronicle. The silent crisis, excessive use of smartphones among school and children and teenagers. These are some of the interesting contents of the annual magazine. We request the audience to kindly get a copy of the magazine at the end of the session. It is only priced at 100 rupees. Up next, we have a presentation to be led by Ms. Lishine Jaleta, Public Relations Secretary, Pomai Naga Tsudamai, Delhi. We request our special invitees, representative of Special Police Unit Northeast Region, Spunner, representative of Pomai Naga Union, Delhi, representative of Pomai Baptist Church, Delhi, and representative of Pomai Naga Catholic, Delhi, Pioneer Academy, representative of Naga Students Union, Delhi, representative of Naga Student Union Tribal Units, and last but not the least, but representative of the Delhi Eastern Naga Students Union. We request you to kindly come up on the stage and receive a token of appreciation from our side.
Thank you, host, for giving me this time. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the 36th Vedaujuna Come Freshers Meet 2025. It is my honor to stand here on behalf of my team, PNTMD, to acknowledge a few esteemed guests who are here in our midst. Following the presentation, I'd like to call our president, PNTMD, Mr. Rosavi Chahomai, to do the honor in presenting a token of appreciation to our esteemed guests. First up, we have our chief guest for this event, Shri David Lalrinsanga, IPS, Special Commissioner of Police for two crucial units, Spooner and Spiwek. IPS David was a Special Commissioner of Police in Provisioning and Logistics in Delhi Police before he was appointed as Inspector, Delhi Police, Inspector General of the Border Security Force, Ministry of Home Affairs.
Ladies and gentlemen, our chief guest for the event, Shri David Lalrinsanga, IPS Officer, Special Commissioner of Police, Spuwak and Spunner, Delhi Police.
Thank you, sir. Up next, we have our guest of honor, Shri T. Misau, Deputy Chief Electoral Officer, Delhi and Denix, Delhi, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli Civil Services. Sir T. Misau received a state award for best electoral practices for the conduct of the Delhi Legislative Assembly held in 2025. The award was presented to him by the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi.
Ladies and gentlemen, our guest of honor for the day, Shri T. Misau Danix, Deputy Chief Electoral Officer, Delhi.
We would also like to acknowledge our guest of honor, Shri Kime Kaming, IPS. Sir Kime Kaming, IPS, is currently serving as the Joint Commissioner of Police, Traffic Operations, Zone 1 and 2 in Delhi Police. He has over 33 years of experience with the police department. He has also served in the Arunachal Pradesh Police as the Superintendent of Police. We
Ladies
also
and
have
gentlemen.
the lady wife of Shri T. Misal, Ma'am Tingcha, among us. Ma'am, may we have you on the stage to receive a humble act of appreciation. We also have a very important person in our midst, Shri Mavio J. Uba, Monitoring Committee, Ministry of Home Affairs. He is also currently a member of the Advisory Board of the PNTMD office. He has also held positions including former President of the Naga Students Union Delhi and is associated with the Spooner and other communities related to the MHA and the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi. Earlier, he served in the NSUD as an advisor too. He is a prominent social and student leader from the Northeast and is active in Delhi. Mr. Maivio has been actively involved with the PNTMD Union over the years. Thank you. There are also some individuals in our midst who we would like to acknowledge. So as I call out your name, I request you to kindly come up to the stage and receive this humble token of appreciation. First up, we have PNUD President. If you're here in our midst, kindly come up to the stage and receive this token of appreciation. Next, we have NSUD President. If you're here with us, kindly come up to the stage. We also have the PNCMD President. So if you're here with us in our midst, could you kindly come up to the stage and receive this token of appreciation? And next we have PBCD Poster. So kindly come up to the stage and receive this token of appreciation. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful celebration. Kalo Shore.
Thank you, Ms. Leshini Chaleta, Public Relations Secretary, Pomai Naga Tsudamayime Delhi, for leading us into a moment of presentation. We also once again thank our distinguished guests, chief guests and guests of honor, and all our special invitees for being a part of this event. Your presence has truly made this event special. Up next, we have a very interesting event. We have the Naga War Cry, to be led by Mr. Sahana Lana, who is once a member of the finance of the Pomai Naga Union Delhi. Before he takes the stage, here's a brief highlight about the Naga War Cry. The war cry is a shout or a slogan used to rally people in battle for a cause. It is literally a battle cry or intended to intimidate the enemy and boost the morale of fellow combatants, or a figurative expression for a cause, like a political slogan or a protest chant. The purpose of the war cry is to arouse aggression and unity within one's own side while intimidating the opposing force. Ladies and gentlemen, now I call upon Mr. Sahana Lana to take the stage. That was a powerful, gut-wrenching performance of War Cry from our brother, Sahana Lana. Thank you for the wonderful performance.
And now, the moment we have all been waiting for. It's time to meet the bright faces who joined our Pomai community here in Delhi. Juluza, freshers meet Tijun Hai Vette Donio, freshers might onio, Nilawi Tele, Tiju Hai Tsuhi, Puanio, Stechi, Takelapeo, Tiju Hai Sani Takelapeo, Tiju Hai Paunanibe. Dear freshers, this is your moment to shine. Don't be shy, my dear Hoso. The stage is yours to share a little about who you are, where you come from, and the dreams you carry with you. Kindly step forward and let us celebrate the new energy, talent, and spirit you bring to our Pomai family in Delhi. We are excited to hear your stories. Freshers, my talishini tapa stechini sasani tapalapuyo tijuhai paunarai. It is your time to shine. Kindly step forward and occupy the stage. Yes, we have the first freshers coming up on stage. Thank you. Requesting the other freshers also to come up. Before that, I would also like to give some judging criteria which has been handed over by the jury. We will right off start the judge in this first session onwards. And the criteria is confidence and presence. The entire criteria carry 100 marks. The first is confidence and presence, 25 marks. How you present yourself and connect with the audience. Second, we have the communication, the clarity, your expression, and ease of speaking. The third, we have creativity. You will be assessed through your originality and fun in talent or responses. The last one, community spirit, how you represent the Pomai values. So, given these 4 criterias, the judge will be judging for the Mr. and Miss Freshers 2025 write-off. You can take your time.
Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing great. This is Jay Kilapao. I'm 18 years old from Kongdae Shimpung. I have completed my 10 plus 2 from Monzain College, that is back in my hometown. And I have recently moved to this Delhi to pursue my graduation. To be honest, I don't have a particular hobbies, but in my free times, I spend it on reading books, cleaning my room, and as a man, I love working out. And as a man, I'm learning to take self-responsibility, work hard, and to be disciplined to master myself. Thank you, everyone.
Colore, Freshers Metal Nilato Maika High, Lani register Surai Dini report Vekhai. Sivazanil Ito has stage de Pala High, Mike Cairo Pau Dini Chorai, Sivazani Lishinu, Juvianu, Sa Ani Nilavi Taile, did you high organizing committee matter Niro Nilavi Taile, did you high Joanu, Sudapirai, Sivazani Nilaton Lishini Pa, Lapeo, did you Paunarai? Oni nilato pa introduction so ki tsula ni pa lishini ko lapeo. Freshers mai tao nilato burai diloza lishini ta pa lapeo. Freshers mai hai cheap po ningol rai. Ito meloi guest mero tali bue sivazaniu ito po mai tiju culture pride hai pupa ngore doniu lishiniu smart show ni ta pa lapeo tini. Boundarai. I request the second freshers to kindly take their time.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Duvinia Rosana. I hail from Surinamai village. I recently completed my graduation from JNIMS in Phal, and I have come here to pursue my further studies. I'm someone who loves reading, singing, and loves playing badminton in my free time. Since I'm a dental surgeon, I would like to share small tips on how to maintain a good oral hygiene. First, it is called the 2-2-2 rule. First, brush your teeth twice a day, that is, once in the morning and once at night. Second, brush 2 minutes each time. And the third, visit your dentist twice a year, that is, every 6 months. Thank you everyone for making our day so special, and I'm truly excited for what lies ahead. Thank you.
Nilato chere tilo de show sorne taba tele pupuya.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm SP Ezekiel, proudly representing from the vibrant hills of Ngariwai Dilomai, Senapati District, Manipur. I graduated from Kohima Science College, Jotsam, Nagaland, with honors in chemistry, a subject that taught me patience, precision, and a beauty of transformation, not just in science, but in life itself. And currently, I'm preparing for competitive examinations constantly striving to become a better person of myself each day. And well, when I'm not studying, you'll either find me working out at the gym or experimenting in a kitchen. Two things that remind me that discipline and creativity can coexist hand to hand. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Grace Shruvini from Kongdaikuman village, and I have completed my graduation from St. Xavier College, Snapti. And I came here to Delhi wishing to be a part of the cabin crew someday. I'm very glad to be here, standing in front of you all and feeling so warmly welcome. And I wish and I hope we all will work well together and as a family and everything. Thank you.
Culture is what people ask for, their thoughts, their minds, and what they heard from us. A very good afternoon to each and every one of you present here today. It's my pleasure and honor to be here today, introducing myself in front of our esteemed chief guest of honor, to all our special invitees, to all the seniors, and to all the delegates present here today. My name is Salona Dumai. I was born and brought up in a village known as Saranamai village. I've done my high schooling from Senapati district, Manipur, and then I went to pursue my higher secondary from St. Peter Higher Secondary School, Shillong, Meghalaya. I have many other hobbies, but my hobbies include playing footballs, watching footballs, and solving mathematics. My aim in life is to become a successful entrepreneur, and I came here in Delhi to prepare for JEE entrance exam. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Seropol from Purul village. I'm a B.Pharma student, GAPS College at Lucknow. My aim is to become a successful pharmacist and also contribute to better healthcare. I'm thankful to be part of this wonderful event and also have a great time with you. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to each and one present here today. First of all, I would like to thank the administration and the people for giving me such a wonderful day to stand in front of you all. My name is Novelas Sikhowe, and I'm from Maiba village, and I have finished my matriculation from St. Anthony School, Senapati, and my higher secondary from Asofia Christian School. And I'm currently pursuing my BA in Satyavati College, Delhi University. And my hobbies, I like to play football and some sport activities. It's been an honor standing in front of you and introducing myself. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sana, and I belong to my village, and I'm here currently pursuing for the graphic designer, and my dream is to become a professional graphic designer, and I would like to change my dreams into a reality, and And my hobby is playing basketball. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. We're in St. Paul, and that guy is my brother, that tall one. Well, I come from Purul Atongba village, not town yet. And I've done my class 12 from Mount Zion Higher Secondary School. I don't have a hobby, but let's stop. Well, I'm here for preparation of my JE examinations, which will be in January. And my aim is to become an engineer. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all respected leaders and to you all present here. My name is Stella Lishirine. I'm from Sarnamai. I aspire to become an engineer, which is the sole purpose of me being here in Delhi. It's a great honor to meet you all. Thank you.
Hi, nice to meet you all. I'm Heavenly Ruth. I'm from Maiba, and I find interest in doing like crafting, and I am here pursuing my first year in BA at Dual Ram College. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Stenhop Suzalo from Saranamai village. I finished my matric from St. Anthony School, Senapati, my higher secondary from Don Bosco, Maram. My hobbies in particular, I like to play volleyball, and I aspire to join the military force. I am indeed thrilled and excited to be a part of this community and to be with you all, to be a part of PNDMD, PN Pumai Naga Tsudomai Me, Delhi. Thank you so much for your warm welcome. I can already see that we are going to make great memories together. Thank you.
Kaloshore, Sowishore, Chiparo, Chipawishore, Jolaza, Niletao Donio, Freshers, my Hanle Donio, Viachi Popure Donio, Tele Pulo Sulai, Viachi Popure Tele Hai, Reverend Zisho Dumai, Pastor PBCD, Punipa, Viachi Hai, Popui Sulem. Let us all bow our heads together as our Pastor, Reverend Zisho Dumai, Pastor PBCD, prays for the freshers. Viachi hai pauchere dilos the nilatao lishini tabuserao hana chelos the nilatao donia dini gift of welcome, a welcome gift memento hai paisolai savazanio viachi pauchere dilos the tabimoni didoni laupo dini pausanibwe.
Congratulations to all the freshers. Nimita Langu City Head Hawa, Delhi City Hike, Nimita with such a you had a fulfill Sulajne, the Chiponi, Suchuani, Fepuvisha, Hanipulani, Taveju Hepani, Veni Vitilutio, Edegoza Veniba, Dakatalutio, did you have the way? Jachie, there's our blessing. A chituli here, a chip almost a vehinijini, Bible bully, Ponojuza, Proverbs, New Rukadiju, Alivi, Anne. Hani he that in pokoi with the fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge, but fools despise wisdom and instructions. Hani he ngai mani vasvitara sajuma ramayani pia kwalwa vasalu dilza. Kyuke vasvit such a day they maponi fulfill sabuleti chipo hani ni metahi popunoe. My pomana make ha register so good in a high hemachia, Kuli Webaji hat it le cotomoe, Buddha de Chinibusa, Pumatojna Lichole, the chipots in here, a chitli here, Guani, Jita, my favorite, Pufinal and high love with Matawa, high pomana, you function high vitilum mate, Duna, as a chipotle sule. Let us all pray together. So we should you, Lushi should you, curb, I should you. Jini Tioboa Shirama, Chipa Tilavihe, Tila Vele Ngolo, Nejikunilla. Nivi do so positive Ngolovas in Neposhoe, Nini Pumana Sodu Supue, Buta Rahi Vejima, O Nini Pukupua, Sodu Supua, Javuti Tilavihe Kutia, Nini PNTM Dimetavi, freshest welcome. Hana ha tila vesa ko dopua rachuchini jidon jachi pobu na save tithe dobu was ni kelo powe pumana holohan ra ruma alolo save puwe keulisu javuni shito dani Delhi city hani tavela buju mato libuwe hamato honor so respect so de guza hamato welcome so pumada so dupuya pane Pumani such a way they have way vitil on the catesol they hane has Sudaka and Jita. You Quavizoni celebrate son and boy. Gallo de ma lolo sevi wasn't. Pumana till here, Laloha, de new son in Buba. I'm not sure city do lichi where ma lo boy. Annie Bobri the he had Rama Nini Quasa Sotepimuko Sumabale. Nini kwa jopimoko sumabale, Nini kwa sa tapimoko, inspire supimoko, guide supimoko, Pumato ha kashule. The poet saw the new Pu Fabujma experiences a lobo bushetima, Hate de Hakubai, near Piju, Dianini Burai, Buimavi, Zerdo village. And there goes a vomata, Servima Bumatoni, hang up Puma by. Da nivi larve ni sula ji ha ji to vi base apanipa sabulres da chua ji to li chowe pumadani ke ha he vasul da butte pingi dreams vision hate te ma po ni bain thotwe so chufe pe pani vu ni vitelu theo ere guzo pumato ha pani Ne quasa was with so was ne. Righteous such a pelot, they put such a papulu. And there's a was with Taranello involves some upon successor in Karisua. Successful had in grand supisa. Successful you had to have till a lotacule, process a lobule, shamaju, lushiju, and it was a go new you had to tell lole. Buin it shot our success and hedge to her. So was Nepuma the Heko new supio. Mind divertility, luxury, Mojima enjoyment, Kuke on Papuma drive support ama. Rama Nivi Rakumashiniku Lobe was named Puma with a vapor, determination of vapor, decision of vapor. Successful at in edible, kited here, will it here. Mapon is do superbe, will you have Maponi Pebe da, Nivi Catasol repo. There goes a Puma here, so no pishy verite ever. Fipone goes every model as a successful. Such a luhe, Lara do luhe. Mamma was a vitara, so you ma pursue Sulu, and you have a fair here. Fipo goes every papanica nani, such a witty David so capo, Chamanama, Chini Buma fair pew. My lily jin some mapumata, high vema vemoma, Chamanama fair pew. Cosa la papanjo coshi lavima. Puma the peace of mind, disturbances a la haji da pani. Puma the Nusulavas of Nepan solutio. You have vitil mabumato libue. Pumato hai Davani Vitel Modesa. And there was a hangipa, Lan no one in the ho. Mojima Shila was Nichini Vitil Mabudeho. Bulichini Vitil Mabudishidima. Pumadan such a bute the Fiponia Rakonia. Nini was a job was near Paningake, the ma. A lanasura was of Nepan in determination Chisho Bulua. No ngake, the ma solar henini, dopio, Nisatepo, the Akuwe, as you high love my day, then the Kulis of Shapuan. Woman at such a day, the Panavitilla. Rahaji da Solo. The point here successful. Rakunya Panangake, the Mabuluvas Nini, they taku reveal super. Nivitsu Dunipa. Vaso Potacula, success and all on Nivikatesulu, my sake, the Lord. Two part living here. Jesu Christus Nipu Jehovani, a Kosupu and Nimbu. Amen.
Pastor Nini Lishini Memento Hai Hanover Gosupilis the Kalole. Thank you, dear freshers, for stepping up and sharing a glimpse of who you are. Welcome once again to the Pumai family here in Delhi. May this new chapter be filled with friendship, growth, and beautiful memories. Today, we are graced by the presence of a figure whose dedication to democracy and public service inspires all. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome our first guest of honor, the Deputy Chief Electoral Officer of Delhi, Shri T. Misao, on stage. Ngainum tatu isay peuva, pu tongmin Misao chunga kipad tu isay ube. We eagerly look forward to your words and encouragement as we celebrate this day.
There was great Joyce for speaking some Kuki dialect. You make me feel more at home. I'm cursing myself now why I have not learned some good Paumai language. I should blame my view because he has given me a very short time to prepare myself. Anyway, I'm really glad and I praise God for bringing me here amidst you, whom I consider not a stranger to me. As you know, I myself hail from the ones called Senapati district. So I really feel at home. As soon as I reach this place, to see all, though we don't know each other, I should say familiar faces because we have been living together in the same region for generations. I would like to take this opportunity, of course, our chief guest, not here, and our guest of honor, I think they have gone somewhere. I really thank the organizing committee, the convener, Mr. Roland, and of course, President of the Paumai Naga, Sidomai Me Delhi, PTN TMD President, Mr. Rozovi Chohaumai, all executive members of the organization, respected leaders of the church, other student leaders, ladies and gentlemen, and especially the freshers, beautiful freshers who have just stood here. I bring my loving and sincere greetings from me and my family to all of you. I also would like to greet our chief guest, Sir David Lalrinsanga, and of course, guest of honor, my co-guest of honor, Sir Kime Kaming. And of course, I should not forget my good friend, Jem Ivio, for compelling me not to say no for this function, just a few days back only. Anyhow, I really feel honored, I feel humbled, and I really feel, at home to be in your midst. Thank you all. I won't take much time because in such a gathering, people doesn't want to listen to speeches much. They want to listen more songs, music, and entertainments. So I'll try to make my speech as short as possible. As I already said, having grown up from Senapati district, we have some Thangal Naga villages, neighboring villages. We have been good friends since my grandfather's time. Every family functions we used to go, they used to come, and we love each other so much. So we grew up together, as not like the friend community, but as a family. So once I stepped into this place, it makes me recall those days when we used to live together peacefully, happily, joyously with our Naga friends. And even more now, because of this situation, unfortunate situation back at home, the ethnic violence happening, we from the Senapati district are not able to use the airport. We have to go through Mao Senapati. I have gone twice already since the ethnic violence broke out. But I love it because I have to pass through Mao, Tadubi, Senapati. I love those places because during my college days when I did my graduation in Shillong, we used to go by bus. Coming from a poor family, we couldn't afford a flight to Guwahati and then Guwahati to Shillong. So we used to travel those. If we have elder people, they must be knowing the Blue Hills travels, the Green Valley travels, Sangai travels, passing through those national highways. And I used to long for that lunch break at Mao. I really like those Mao foods in the hotels in Mao. So, unfortunately, the situation changed for the last 2 years in Manipur, as we all know. So I'll take this opportunity to thank how our Paumai Naga friends have helped us in such a difficult time. Since we can't go to hospitals, schools and colleges, health facilities in Imphal, our only option was to come to Senapati. My own nephew has just completed his 12 from Mount Everest School. I've been there for his admission. I accompanied him. So when some of the freshers talk about Mount Zion, Mount Everest, you know, I was really touched. So I take this opportunity for my friends, brethren, in our most difficult times, you were there. Hospitalities, you have given us hospitalities, the medical cares and treatment that every one of us receives in Senapati, I think is really amazing. Even from my own village, I can count, there are many. My own father have visited a doctor in Senapati only. His treatment is going on. And I think it's all because of your love, your concern, and your care. I take this opportunity today to thank you all for the good work you have done to our community and continue to look forward to live together in peace and harmony. As we all know, we may speak different languages, we may wear different clothes or cultural dresses, but in the living God, we are one. We worship the same God. We praise the same God. As Christians, you know, when a pastor, PBCD pastor prayed, I remember the last word he said, Jesu Christa. The same word we use in a dialect. So it was really nice. Let's continue to maintain this brotherhood and peace. A little bit for our freshers, since this meet is also for the freshers. You know, I was also a fresher here in Delhi, and surprisingly, when I was a fresher, I was declared or elected, or I don't know, Mr. Fresher when I came to Delhi. KSOD Freshers Meet 1993, I was declared Mr. Fresher. So it just make me recall some memories when those beautiful, handsome freshers came on stage and introduced themselves. I came in 1993 to Delhi, of course, to study. Then I was doing my post-graduation course. At the same time, I thought I was aspiring for civil services, but I could not become like Sir David and Sir Kame. Unfortunately, I joined some IS study circle and also got involved in church activities. I became later on the chairman of the Kuki Worship Service Delhi, and so on and so forth. Then somehow I got this job, thankfully, by God's grace. Then now when I look back, there is a mixed feeling, like I'm thinking now I could have done better. I could have become some better person. I could have done better in life had I studied more, had I dedicated more time to my studies, had I not got involved in too many activities in the society. So there are regrets, and of course, glad on the other side also, because by God's grace, I have a good job. I can feed my family. They are not starving. My wife is here. I have two daughters. They go to good school. So I think, okay, fine. At least I'm settled. But somehow, sometimes I feel regret, I could have done better. So my advice to the freshers out here, I thought I was expecting about 50 young freshers would come up and stand here on the stage. But I think all of them, even though they are few, I mean, it, more than the numbers, more than the quantity, quality speaks better. All of them are so good, so confident, all of you, the freshers. I really like each and every one of you, the way you introduce yourself, the confidence level that you have, a clarity in your dreams and aspirations. I think you all deserve to be Mr. and Miss Freshers tonight. I would request the, the judges to declare all of them, not leave even one. Joint Mr. Fresher and joint Miss Fresher. No, I was really excited to see one dental surgeon was also there. So many of you are aspiring engineering students, aspiring entrepreneurs. Some of the designers. It was really great. I think you all deserve to be here in Delhi. And I wish you all, you do well, do good in your studies, not get in too many social activities like me, what I have done, so that you succeed in life. So my advice to the students, especially the young freshers, in life, you know, you have only one opportunity in life, either to be here in Delhi, to be a student, to be in university. You have only one opportunity. So it is for you to make it or to break it. The choice is yours. You are in Delhi here now with a specific purpose. You know, you have not come here like Delhi is a good place, nice city, my friends are there, so I'll go there and stay there. No, but you have come here with a purpose. When you lose your focus and priorities, you will end up achieving nothing. So maintain your focus and know your priorities. As our president has said in his speech, we the tribals, you know, when we come to the city, we tend to forget our roots, our background. But as our president has said in his speech, know your roots, know your background, know your family. Don't forget your roots, otherwise you will end up begging food one day. You don't want regrets in your future life, then set your priorities right now. You don't want to end up envying or being zealous of your successful friends later in life. Now you choose your friends wisely. It's very important who you choose as your friend in such a big metro city like Delhi. It will matter to shape your life in future. You want to become a successful man or woman in life, you need to live a purpose-driven life. As the saying goes, there is no shortcut to success. It's hard work, determination, and perseverance which are the key to a successful life. At the end of the day, when your journey here ends as a student, no one is coming to save you. You have to take full responsibility of your life and yourself, your career and your future. It is for you and it is by you only. The challenges are very tough nowadays. You know what is the situation like in Manipur, where we live now, how we are living, how we are struggling. So the competitions levels are higher now. No, the challenges during our days than the challenges now. Now it is far greater. It is tough, but I read a book called When the Going Gets Tough, the Tough Gets Going. Become a tough man, tough boy, a tough girl. Going may get tough. There may be many challenges, but if you are tough, you will get going. Once again, I thank you, the President of Paumai Naga, Sidomai May, Delhi, for inviting me here to grace the occasion of the 36th Vadayu Ne 2025. And I wish every one of you, especially the freshers, a very successful stay here in Delhi. Thank you all. God bless us all, and thank you for that beautiful gift also. Thank you.
Know your roots, or you will end up begging for food. That's a very wonderful and powerful lines that our guests have just remarked. We are deeply grateful for your presence and guidance, sir. I believe that each and every one of us is inspired and motivated by his speech. And as he has mentioned, let us all be mindful of who we are friends with and who we find a friend. Tuhoy tugil le tumantam nahung saipi ziin kakipa value putongmin.
Maisuhi Pausuju Ali. Hol Hanahi Velobuloni registration Sulamo Buju Aliro Itove membership fee Pui morning Buju Maitohi Pausuboy. Kipavi registration destiny lishini register supel. The lunch will be planned according to the total strength of the attendance. So we request everyone who have not done their registration yet to kindly register your names at the registration desk outside. Thank you.
And now, to add a touch of melody and emotions to our event, we invite you to enjoy a song of love prepared for this occasion. I welcome Ms. Paiva Ramai to be on stage. Paiva Ramai is a singer and music educator trained in Western classical and rock and pop music. She currently teaches at Music Edu and has performed in both national and international stages. She has performed as soprano with the Delhi Chamber Choir and is currently an active member of the Ao Naga Choir. Ladies and gentlemen, kindly give a round of applause for the singer of the event.
Shiju sha pumina deli. Jiju lo sole avid lo title new lishi we lo it the song of love. Jinu ju ko sole ju hana jina machung thing de nanu. Ju ko school in vasu ju malia guitar cover ju malia.
When words fail, music speaks. Kalashore by Varamai Nenu Nivipai Rawi Hananu my Soe Pupa Lu Chahaja Dinu Supivazu near Pins Ramai Nipuma Habu Saluteo.
Hello. Are we guys feeling a little bored? Is the energy in the room beginning to dip? Before I invite the next the guest of honor, shall we stand on our feet and do some exercise? Yes? Stretch your body. Release some negative energies. Yes? And here's the prompting. I'll say, hey, yo. And then the crowd will raise the pitch and respond. Okay, all right? Hey, yo. And then I expect the crowd to say, hey yo. Okay. Are we ready? Yes. Hey yo. Hey yo. Again, hey yo, and then hey yo, right? Okay. Hey yo. All right. Thank you. Thank you. May you kindly take your seat. Thank you. Well, our next guest of honor is Shri Kime Kaming, IPS officer, Joint Commissioner of Police, Traffic Operation, Delhi Police. Before our guest of honor take the stage, apologies from my side. If our next guest of honor is from a tribe from Manipur, I would have introduced him in his local tribal dialect, in a fashion like my co-host has done earlier. But unfortunately, I think he is from Arunachal Pradesh, so they don't have a lingua franca now in Arunachal. So very sad for the next guest of honor. Yeah. Anyway, let's put our hands together and welcome our next chief guest of honor, Shri Kime Kaming, IPS officer, Joint Commissioner of Police, Delhi.
Good afternoon to everybody. Respected President and his executive teams, along with convener Roland Rao, respected all the advisory board members, church leaders, and my senior respected today's chief guest, David sir, my colleague, guest of honor, T. Michao, and all the ladies and gentlemen. I cannot spell out all whoever are present here, and also all those pressers. Actually, I am not a good speaker, and I am not also prepared. In every case, it has to be a prepared actually speaking. Whether you speak, you dance, you act, or whatever you do, even in the examination, whatever, it has to be a prepared one. But in my case, just I am totally unprepared. Now, it has been a very highly honored to be here when my esteemed friend, my boss, he called me when I was on leave, and I told him it is not very sure. It was not very sure because our job is a very essential job, and anytime we are required at any moment. But today, I made up mind that I should be part of your celebration. And it's been a very wonderful activities and program here, which actually, instead of I motivate you, you have motivated me with your teams, hopes, and purpose. In the life, we have, everybody has only one life, and it should have a very meaningful purpose. Let it be businessman, let it be bureaucratic, let it be all in the service like me and
chief guest, and also my colleague. He is also All India Services. And let it be even a housewife. Housewife has also definite role to play. Her role is such a, in fact, it is a most important thing. We all come from mother, housewife, and her role is such that she will take care of all the health and hygiene and also upkeep of offspring and all. What I mean to say is that everybody has a purpose of life. Now that purpose of life should, which we call a success. Be you a business, be you a all India service, be you anything else. It has to be a success one. For a housewife, the success would be keeping entire family in very I mean promoting all of them in the good food, health, hygiene, everything. Then only you can step up. So that is a success. Now in the success, in all the case of success, according to me, success is equal to visualization plus positive thinking plus effort. If you have a good vision, you should have in order to arrive at success, you should have a vision. Just like a cricket player or a footballer, he has a vision to do a good batting or scoring ball, netting. And it should be followed by positive thinking. It should not be a negative. In the sense, the positivity is a very important. If you are negative, then you can land into trouble. You will not be able to go forward. Then having these two items, if you don't do any effort and dreaming only, if you don't put enough effort means hard work. Yes, my colleague sir has told you determination, all. This all comes under effort. Physical exertion and mental distinct. So all these are, because you know, so you have taught me that you are trying to display that you have come here for purpose. So in line with that one, in the purpose, we should have a success visualization. Success components are these things. Let it be student or this thing. Now for those freshers, it's a very good opportunity that this forum, Pomai Naga Sidumai Me, has given you a wonderful forum to not only to showcase your art of introducing, but also how you just interact with us and all these colleagues. So this is one thing. The other thing is that when you are showing your unity and cooperation, I want to add here is brotherhood. Now brotherhood would be when you have come beyond your village, come beyond your district or beyond your state, then come up to national capital territory, Indian capital. We have multilingual and multicultural country. So as they are in the constitution written. So, spirit of brotherhood vis-a-vis other tribes, vis-a-vis other people. People call it mainlander also. So this brotherhood is also very important. And I myself also from Arunachal Pradesh, and our working is such that we we do in the horizontal way. For us, all the people are, equal. It's like equality before law. So unity and cooperation is a very well, and along with this cultural identity, these are very wonderful things. Along with this, what my colleague also speak about trouble shooting up here and there in Manipur also. So in the absence of brotherhood and humanity, it will not be a complete matter. So therefore, all this which you have shown up has given me a immense reach in my understanding, and you all have shown your unity, shown your culture, your cooperation, and let us have a very good humanity and brotherhood spirit. With this, life in metro is not an easy. It is a very struggling, very competitive, and very often it is very highly hostile also. And for that, we are working very hard with the police people. And having said all these things, from my side, whatever possible, whenever need, I too will be needing your cooperation. And from my side, whatever we require to do, I will not hesitate to extend any cooperation for in a brotherhood spirit and all. And back to your home, your parent or your all kids and all, they have a very high hope, high aspiration that my brother, sister, son, daughter, and father, mother, they are here, and they will bring fortune, they will bring prosper and everything. So having that agenda in view, I hope that you will fulfill the aspiration of your Britain, not only your Britain, also your, district, state, and also northeasterns, then the country as a whole. So for the student specific, I wish that they will come up to like us, All India Service. For those who have, for those who are having this engineering aspiration, whatever, wherever you are, it should be a success one. It should be a success one. So I don't have much to say. I will just, I'll not take much of your time. As my colleague has said that you might be waiting for the other program to come. So thank you very much once again. Thank you all. Have a blessed day. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, guest of honor, Shri Kime Kaming, IPS officer, Joint Commissioner of Police, Traffic Operations, Delhi Police. Thank you, sir, for your wonderful speech, for touching on the themes of community cohesion and giving pointers to the freshers who have come to the city. Up next, we have a very interesting event. We have a performance from The Roots and Rhythm, chiseled by time, a story of Pomai cultural metamorphosis. Here's a brief highlight about the group. The Roots and Rhythm is a drama group. They explore the Pomai Naga cultural metamorphosis in the 21st century. Their work highlights the dynamic transition from ancestral traditional contemporary life, examining how core identity evolves without being lost. Ultimately, the performance serves as a poignant narrative on navigating the future while preserving the essential wisdom of the past. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the Roots and Rhythm.
In the heart of a Pomai village, the ancient art of friction fire making upholds, a practice as old as time. Here, fire is born not just of wood and will, but of a life deeply rooted in rhythm, tradition, and community. Amid the hum of daily life, laughter rises over cockfight games. The clink of cups echoes softly, and quiet hands carry the weight of tradition. Agriculture has long been and remains the lifeblood of the Pomai community, deeply woven into their life and identity. Ancient shadows stare as the fierce cry of Naga warriors pierces the calm, awakening a past steeped in blood and valor. Tranquility shatters as a sudden ambush erupts, thrusting the village into a brutal struggle for survival against the ghosts of tradition.
Amid the turmoil and sorrow, a calm figure emerges. A missionary comes bearing the light of hope and comforting message of God's love. He brings news of a love that transcends boundaries, urging them to rise from the ashes of conflict. The journey to embracing Christianity was marked by exile and bloodshed, but as faith quietly took root in the village, hostility gradually waned along with the tradition of headhunting.
Drop of golden sun. Me. A name I call myself. A sun. Me. A name I call myself. A long, long way to run. So I need a pulling thread. Love.
From oral stories passed down through generations to the written word, the Pomais embarked on a journey of knowledge, blending their rich heritage with modern learning. Today, we celebrate the journey of the Pomai people, a story of resilience, growth, and unity, from rich traditions to a future shaped by leaders, engineers, doctors, nurses, entrepreneurs, artists, and more. Each life reflects hope and progress. We are not just witnesses to history, we are the architects of our future.
Kalau semua
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Roots and Rhythm. That was indeed a very theatrical performance from the Roots and Rhythm. Thank you. Huge thank you to the Roots and Rhythm for transporting us back to our Poma ancestral past and the transition to the present modern era. That was indeed a stunning, stunning performance marked with lots of athleticism, risking injury and scary warlike scenario. Kalashore, Roots and Rhythm ato. Ito lama shore, suwi shore. Ramani hapa usually here. Thank you. Shall we give another round of applause for the Roots and Rhythm? Thank you, thank you.
In Pumai tradition, we believe that every gathering shines brighter when guided by wisdom and integrity. And today, we are honored to have a leader who embodies these very qualities and values. Living up to his name, our honorable chief guest arrived at 11:05 a.m. today, when even the hall was not even half filled. Thank you so much, sir, for being a remarkable figure to exemplify the value of discipline and punctuality. Kan somna min pomsak awangin kan lomple ani. Ladies and gentlemen, let us extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to our honorable chief guest of the Pomai Naga Tsirumai Me Delhi, the 36th Vedaujuna 2025, Shri David Lalrinsanga, IPS, Special Commissioner of Police, Spuak and Spooner Delhi Police. Sir, kindly take the stage.
Hello. After such a nice performance, my my speech and all will be very what you call not to that level. I thank in the beginning actually Mr. Maivio who invited me here, because normally I would not have come. I don't go actually, but I'm thankful now that he has invited me and I came here. The president, Mr. Rosie Vey, am I correct? Rosa Vey, okay. Rosa Vey, then Mr. Roland Trau, Okay. And the organizers and all the people who have attended here. The guests of honors, Mr. Misao and Kimi. Thank you for inviting me. I'm not a very good speaker also, like Kimi. I think Mr. Misao's speech was the best so far. I mean, I would have given him an award also. I'm at a loss, what to say, what should I say? Anyway, I'm also a little bit of a Naga, in case you don't know. I grew up in Kohima with all the Naga Modu, Akuni, all these things, huh? Bastenga. Anyway, so it's quite nice for me to be with you all this year. It used to be this cloth used to be Angami, na? I told him Angami wala, we used to know Angami, Ao, Lotha. But over the times, I think the Sema became Sumi and the Maus became Pumai. Like we're shifting. So coming here was actually not my idea, but you know, when it was said that freshers are coming, it's a part of our job also to welcome the people from the northeast to this city, Delhi. I'll just pick for the freshers at the beginning. We have lots of issues concerning the northeast people here in Delhi. Earlier, people used to think that we are anonymous. I think you still feel the same now also, after several years. We feel anonymous, like back home people don't know and we can do whatever we want. I think it's the same for your community also. I'm not very sure, but I guess a lot of you will think that we are anonymous in Delhi because it's a big city and we can do whatever we want and get back and nobody knows back home. One officer pointed out that some members of the community were like the professors visiting professors. They come to the city, book themselves in hotels, and go back and behave as if they are the holiest persons in the community. I mean, I don't want to preach much. I used to preach also, pastors. So, but one thing which I have always felt very deep is because, like I asked Mavio, I think you're all Christians. Even though we saw all those history, slowly, most of you are here. I think most of you have become Christians, and I think are practicing it also. So if we declare ourselves Christians, but still behave in a different way, which does not identify us with the faith, then we are like anybody else. We are not different. So even though this may not be a good platform to speak of those things, but I feel that because of our religion, because of being minorities and being a minority religious group, we have seen this transition which you just saw also. We were wild. I could identify with that the drama. We were like that ourselves in Mizoram. I am from Mizoram. Although I don't live there. As I said, most of my youth was in Kohima, then it came down to Shillong, then came down to Delhi. We are like this. We are, we are recognized now as somebody because I think to a large extent, maybe wholly, maybe not. I don't want to step on anybody's toes. But I think if you look back, if you really look hard, I think it's because you embraced that religion and you became different. That is because our past, our history would have not led us to this hall right now. It would, a few of us would have come here in Delhi, and but most of us would have remained back, and then we may have done a lot of things which we would not want to write back home about. We may not have any development, we may not have anything to speak about our people. So I feel, even though it may not be an appropriate thing, you should have left it to the pastors and all, but once you have embraced this religion and you say you have, you are reborn, it makes you different. Your education now becomes, it takes on a meaning. If you were educated without this religion, you would have used your education, your knowledge for something else. But because you have embraced this, it makes you different from other people. And I suspect, maybe I'm wrong, but in the future you might be persecuted also. So if you're weak, then you'll go back to your roots. And I hope you're not angry, but if you're weak and you drop your religion, you'll go back to your Modu and fighting. But now that we have embraced this and the education has made us aware of what we are and we have improved ourselves, we should go forward. This is what has been in my mind for a long time. We fight because that is what human beings do. As you saw in this, in the Bible, you might have read it also, you might not have read it, but human beings are sinful creatures from the birth. So naturally that is what we are without this religion. So however big you might become, if you forget that, then what will happen? You'll start envying the other person, you'll start hating the other person, and then you'll stop being what you are now. You'll go back to your natural, being. Natural beings will fight and will kill each other. So if you see very deeply, that is a trend sometimes if we forget what we have become. I also have not been here in this position right now because of whatever you might think, that we were rich, we had this thing. No, it was not like that. We were poor, may not be like many of you, but we had some food, we could eat, we grew, but we were poor. That's why I want to encourage everybody that material wealth is not really necessary for becoming somebody in life. And especially now when I see people coming to Delhi, a lot of our people from the Northeast, that's why we have this unit in which I am the head. Our people, we tend to forget, and then we think we can do whatever we want. That's when we get into trouble. And every other person is there to take advantage of us, of each other actually, not only us. We feel victimized because we are in a group. But other people who are also not in a group are also being victimized. So we are a part of nature actually. So this unit, which I am heading, was necessitated because we felt victimized. We are going to be victimized. But we should realize that if we remain what we are now as good Christians, I don't think many of the things which we face will happen. But that's very difficult for most of us to adhere to, because sometimes we have to go out and sometimes we have to do work which other people don't do. We have to go out at odd hours, we have to come back at odd hours. But most of the time, we feel here in the police, most of the time it would not have been necessary. We would not have encountered so many difficulties if we were keeping good behavior and all these things. So this, I hope I'm not boring you, but for newcomers especially, you have everything lined up. There's so many opportunities, so many things, so many materials for your education, so many avenues. At the same time, you'll have free liquor, free drugs, free everything. You can enjoy yourselves unto death, or you can become somebody. So again, I'm feeling like I'm preaching. But that's how I've been preaching to my sons now. Unfortunately, I lost my wife in 2017 back home, so I'm like the mother and the father, so I know both sides. I can gossip like girls also. Now I've learned all those things, so I mean, I've become a little bit jumbled up, mixed up. So I don't know where I am now, what actually I am. Like a police officer, like I'm now a preacher. Sometimes sarcastically my friends used to call me pastor also, because half the time I'm preaching. And to my sons, I've become like a nagging mother or whatever. But you know, I can't help it. So when I see a group of Northeast people, you're all part of my community type. I'm like one of you only. You're like one of us. And I see a lot of you resembling my sons only. Some of you are small, tall, fat, fair, thin. There's nothing different from my house, so I'm just continuing out here. Freshers ke liye, this is for the freshers. People who have been here for a year would be really aware now what is happening in Delhi, the opportunities which are here. If you have not made it, that is because, as Mr. Misao had already said, the first speaker had already said, you are indulging in so many things. When I prepared for the civils, and I'm telling you, civil service is open for everybody. And what I used to tell my people is, you're not competing with everybody. You're not competing with everybody. 11 lakh applicants. You're not competing with them. You're competing with only 7.5% of the ST people. You're all STs, I think. Are you? You're not. You are. Only 7.5%. And who are the people you're competing? You're competing with whom? Some Mizos, Nagas, you're there. Meghalaya, tribals in Assam, Arunachal. is there. You are also ST. देखो. We are only competing with only things. So if you really put your heart in it, there's no way you cannot become, you cannot, I mean, there's no way you can miss out on that. And you have to do that. You have to put your mind in that. Education, people are getting gold medals in Delhi. Our own people are getting gold medals, and this thing in last time there was one this guy, he got a gold medal in economics. He's doing his further studies in, I think, London School of Economics, whatever, something like that. Because you are no less than any other person. Only thing is, you are indulging in so many things which are all of a sudden available here in Delhi. Everything is available. There's a particular road from AIMS, I think, AIMS to IIT. You know that road? Aurobindo Marg. Anybody knows? You've been there? Aurobindo Marg. You go there after 9:30 in the night up to 11:30. It's very, very, I mean, depressing. You can't stop it. I mean, I'm not saying that you should go and enjoy yourselves out there, but just for you to know. Don't end up out there. Try to avoid it. There's no need for you to go there. But a lot of times people are going there. You can have that, you can have drugs, you can have so many things, and uske baad what happens? These people are from the northeast only. And what happens? Our unit comes and helps. Mr. Mavia will come. So for freshers, the constraint from your family is all of a sudden missing. Your elders out here in Delhi are the only ones, and if you don't connect with them, if you don't go to church, you can do whatever you want, then you'll end up somewhere and we'll have to send you back home. Horizontal. Northeast youths, once in a while, we were noticed by everybody, like in the police, in the society. We are good at football, we are good at outdoors, we are good at fighting. And the airlines now have given us some concessions also. The ambulances have given us some concessions. Because we indulge in a lot of things which, at the end of the day, which you would not have expected. Human life is precious, but if you indulge in things wrong, that's where we end up. And it's very sad. So for people who have been here, I mean, you need not listen to what I said, you just listen back, you just forget what I said. But for the freshers whom I saw, you remind me of all the new people, all the fresh people who had to go back unintendedly, not in an upright position but in a horizontal way, packed in bags. I mean, I'm being very brutal, being very rough, but you know, this city offers a lot of things and you have to be careful on that. This is what was in my mind as running around, and I was thinking whether to say it or not, but being what I am, I just spoke on that. As a community, you are here, and then your function was inaugurated by the pastor, and I think the end also, in between also, you had the pastors pray for you, I think in the end also you'll end it with some pastors. I think, I'm not sure. We are what we are now because of God. It will begin and end. I'm quite old now, but one of your, I don't know, whom did I ask? He said, I'm right, I look like 49. So I was quite happy. Well, you look quite young. I don't know if I look 49. But even I had opportunities. There are lots of things which we can do. But beginning and end of your life is with God. This function you started with God, you'll end with God. You go back home, continue to do that. This is what will make you different from other people. That is all. Nothing I can say which will add to your knowledge. Nothing I can say which will make you brilliant person all of a sudden. Nothing which I say which you have not already known. Except that whatever I have experienced, whatever I am now, myself, this job also, like Misao said, you might have regretted something. Yes, we also had some regrets, but this is given to me by God, I know. I asked for it. I prayed. Way back, 1990s. And now it'll end. I think, I hope, with God. You can be whatever you want. You can ask for whatever you want. But you start your life, you start your day, and you end your day. You start your life, you're coming here to Delhi, you're going back to Delhi. Let it start and end with God. There's nothing else. Absolutely nothing else. If you think money will make you happy, no. Liquor, no. Drugs, no. Women, men, no. Only thing which you can have, which will make you okay, normal, is God. However, whatever I am, I'm telling you, I don't need anything extra. I'm not hungering for anything else. That is all. We might look very senior. You might look like we have authority. I didn't come in uniform because I thought actually I didn't want to wear uniform. Uniform restricts us from uttering a lot of things also. But what I'm trying to share is, we do not become modern or civilized or whatever because of our education or the riches we have, the wealth, the clothes. No. There are lots of countries which are more educated than us, richer than us. They have got lots of things with them. But a lot of countries are now in trouble. They've kicked out God. They've kicked out God from school. They kicked out God from their lives. We don't need them. Now I think AI is coming. A lot of you might be indulging in AIs. You might have downloaded AIs and all these things. What will it lead you to? Despair. AI, I was told it is becoming what we call self-aware. I think 15% AI is self-aware. Last time I attended a course in the Supreme Court on the abuses which are being faced by the girl child, sorry. Most of you are girls, many of you are girls. Morphing of photographs from what? From your own photographs. You open up some AIs, you take your photograph, it becomes a cartoon. You know that, no? You think it's so nice. It's very dangerous. And then there are some AI sites in which the children are confessing to them, confessing not to their mothers or to the pastors, but to an AI site. And then what happens after that? The AI records, it's a public this thing. So developed countries are using AI. They are very, very educated. They're well ahead, technology and all these things. But we are here because of our God only. If you forget that, I fully believe what happened to the Israelites will happen to us also, sorry. You might not agree with me, but it's what I'm talking is quite boring. But as a people, that's the only thing I can see. Sometimes we go to places where I mean a lot of people would not be able to go also. We have got permission to go there. We enjoy this technology, we go there. I personally have gone to a lot of places. But at the end of the day, we come back and what? It's all empty, finished, no use. You come back to your own room, your Bible, and then that is what props you up, that's what makes you go. So now my talk is only about that these days. We feel nice with money. We try to get more money. However, which way we try to get money. Sometimes we sell our bodies, sometimes we sell these, sometimes we do smuggling, sometimes we do drugs, whatever job we have. It's very bad. And then we come and show ourselves, yeah, we get new clothes, it lasts for about a week, go back, get a new one, we go to parties, it all ends there, finished. So my request is do not forget, as you have already said, one is do not forget your roots. You are what you are, Pumai, because of your roots only you remember. Once you come down to Delhi, everything becomes, watered down. A lot of your kids would not remember what is like in your back home in your villages because they will not go back. The other one is your God. Without that, you will not succeed at anything. I've seen it because of so many years now. Nothing works. You might feel successful, you might think you're achieving something. If you have achieved something on your own and you think that that is without God, then you go and mess up with that very, very degree, very, very good position you have achieved, that good job which you have achieved without God. If you think you've done it on your own, that one will land you in trouble only. That is what I'm trying to say. And it might not feel nice, I'm not very exciting. So, but this is at the end of the day. I have come such a long way now. I think I'm older than most of you now. This is what I've seen. So like in the Bible it says our average age now only 70, and by good health strength is 80. So when is your peak age? 35 and 40. When you have reached 35 and 40, don't think you're young. I'm not saying for you, huh? I'm not saying for you. When we are around 35, we have already lived half our lives. Not necessary many of us will reach 70. As a clan, as a tribe, as a group, my request is, if you want to live longer, then just remember that at 35, this is, I've reached half my life, I have 35 years more or 40 years more. Maybe if you are lucky, 50 years also. When you have reached 50, don't think that you have just reached half your life, the peak of your life. No, you have already crossed. If you are young, freshers, if you are young, you are just entering a few years before your peak. Your peak is 30 to 45, and then khatam. So you might think, yeah, this is what, this is that. I mean, I'm going to the pub, I'm going to the disco, I'm going to this five-star hotel, yeah, and all these things. I'm going to become a millionaire, lakpati, crorepati, whatever jo bhi hai. You can be that, but you come back, you'll be nothing without God. I'm coming back to that thing only. As far as education is concerned, I just want to say one word. Nobody is above you in your intellect. You are built in the image of God. Just remember that. Look at yourself in a mirror and say that I can do it. Who was I? I did my schooling in St. Edmunds in Shillong. Anybody from Edmunds? I did my college also in Edmunds. I did my university, Nehu, MA in MA in Nehu. I was never there. I'm here. I was not a backbencher, but not a failure, but not the brightest. I did it with God's help, I'm telling you. I know it myself. You ask yourself also. Look at the mirror and talk to that person you see in the mirror. Sometimes we forget. We think that we'll cram the whole night and uska baad we'll go and give exams, and then uska baad I didn't study enough, I didn't do enough. Have you talked to yourself? You're fooling yourselves. We fool ourselves actually. And then once we remember that we have not talked to that person, the person inside does not know what you're doing. I mean, you're fooling everybody. And then you try to fool yourselves also. Kindly don't make that mistake. You can fool other people for a long time. All the time also you can fool. Your mom and dad, you can fool. The first person you can fool is your mom, then your dad. Then you try to fool yourselves. Kindly don't do that. Education, you have come for education. One person was saying he likes to solve maths. Good, congratulations. Maths, people who are from the Northeast are professors in New York. You know that? Good maths professors in Delhi University from Northeast. Good engineers, because they don't fool themselves. Don't fool yourselves. Tell that person in the mirror, like Michael Jackson nahi tha. Man in the mirror, whatever. Tell that person, don't fool yourselves. Once you tell him, you talk to that fellow in the mirror, then you realize whether you have actually been reborn or not also. Your faith. Sometimes you say, good, and you sing so many hymns, and then when the pastor prays, you say hallelujah. And then what happens? The person in the mirror says, Arey, you're fooling me. This is a reality check, please. Education, no one is above you. You can be the topper of anything you do. Delhi University exams, I think I was told, like Mr. Miso, you're expecting 50. I was expecting something like that also. I have said one thing, ki this CUET exam is a blessing for Northeast kids, because you may not have got grace marks to make your average, your total marks 100 or 101 like other people sometimes. 100, 100, 100, 99.999. You may not get that in your back home in your schools, in your colleges. No, you may not. But because CUET exam is a level playing field, it's a big opportunity for us. Make efforts. The student union leaders, you are the ones. Encourage them. CUET is a blessing. Right after the 12th exams, the same 12th exam paper is being used for the CUET exams. Equal opportunity. I thought more and more people from the Northeast would have come. I think many people misread the CUET exam wala. They thought it's some other exam. No. Go back, tell your members, people who are giving exams for the 12th, prepare for the CUET. It's one sure shot for Northeast people to go and get admissions in the college. Because the exam which you did just now, you're going to give exam now again. Same thing. Without, here you might get some additional grace marks in your colleges, depending upon the states, depending upon your college. CUET, nothing. Whatever marks you'll get that one. Whatever marks he gets, he will get that one. You're going to be admitted on the basis of your CUET exams. Mr. President, I'm requesting you this one. CUET for college and for masters. This is a good gift for us. The exams which you did just now, just a few days back, this is the one which is going to get you good admissions. Next year, I hope, if you don't invite me, I'm very happy, but 50 people will have to come here. 50, 100. This is one development which I will be asking Mavio. And I will ask you also, President Saab. Because this is, it's like a gift for us. No grace marks for special schools. What you are, you are. It is like, as I said, I'm talking about God also. On the day of judgment, what will you do? Pastor is not going to talk for you. No, he's from my church, so yeah, no. Whatever you are, you are. Like that only the CUET is also that, the same thing. So education-wise, next time, next year, next freshers, 50 or more. One more thing I'd like to say for the last, I think I'm getting very boring. When we are living in Delhi, a lot of the times people are commenting on our faces, our dresses. And it's correct also. Once I went to what is that place? Safdarjung, na? NCC Gate. NCC Gate, anybody lives that side? Safdarjung? I mean, it was quite shocking. It's very shocking. This is Delhi, not our home, not our village. I mean, there's a lot of things which we have to learn. Maybe your community is not indulging in that. But they are all like us only. They look like us only. They are us, our people from the northeast. West Bengal, east of West Bengal, Kuch Bihar. You go there, you'll find it's quite shocking. They're very free. And people don't understand. People don't understand. If people were, I mean, I don't know, I should not speak much on that, but we have to know who we are. Okay, no problem. We have to know where we are right now, not in our rooms. We are walking on the market. And then after that, we complain a lot of things. Even our boys, I don't know, a lot of you, I don't know, our boys are also like, Why do we still continue to do so many things which makes us look different? Anyway, I hope I didn't make you all gloomy. This is supposed to be a good day for you. It's supposed to be a wonderful day, but I couldn't get the thing out. Anyway, I wish and hope none of you come and meet us. Don't come and meet us. Don't recall my name. I think they're advertising our numbers also. Don't call them. ठीक है? Don't get into trouble. That's what I'm trying to say. You don't need us. We are here just for accidents, emergencies. Don't remember us. You don't need be in a situation in which you don't need us. So I'm being very negative and being very depressing, I think. But I hope I see a lot of people who are like my relatives, my own sons also. I think some of you are looking like my sons only. So I can't help saying that. So lastly, I want to I'm not anybody to give you a blessing, but my wishes are you do well in this city, be what you are, remember that you are a child of God. That first thing, the second thing will make you hesitant to do a lot of things which will make you need us. I'm here for everybody. I'll help you, we'll help you. The Spooner, the Delhi police is here. But kindly from your side, be what you are, remember who you are, what you have become, so that you don't need us. And if you talk to God in the morning, afternoon, evening, maybe that's too much, but at least once a day, you cannot go wrong. You will not step into that place catching a bottle or going to that place where you are when you need your help. You will not do wrong. So like a typical father talking to my son, I'm talking as if I'm talking to my son. You don't forget who you are. Don't forget what you have become. Don't forget God. And then you cannot go wrong. Thank you.
Hello. Connect with your people, because however big you become, wherever you are, if you forget who you are as a part of a community, your identity will be buried. Thank you for illuminating us on the theme Embracing Culture, Celebrating Unity. Sir, you have continually apologized us for being brutal, but I would say that you have brought us back to the ground reality, allowing ourselves to challenge us and also reminding us that we are built in the image of God. Itu soitika iti tra kotni. Bishi kushi paishi be. Since you say that you grew up in Kohima, I have also a little bit of Nagamese. Thank you so much, sir. Your presence have graced this event with sparks of embracing cultural diversity that defines our Pomai Naga spirit.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, next we'll have another session of presentation. The presentation hour will be led by Ms. Leshine Tialeta, Public Relations Secretary, PNTMD, after which will be followed by secretarial report from Mr. Kurio, General Secretary of the PNTMD. Thank you.
Thank you, host, for the time. We shall have another round of presentation. Following the presentation, I'd like to call our president, Mr. Rosavi Chahomai, once again, to present to our special invitees a token of appreciation. First, we have Pioneer Academy proprietor. Secondly, we have Putzel Magazine editorial team, and their names are Dr. K.H. Neil Young, Dr. Avi Vedi, Newlanson Samuel Angam, M. Apau, Konyane, and Eliza. If you're here among with us, kindly come up to the stage and receive this token of appreciation. Moving on, we have the panel of judges for PGT and Miss and Mr. Fresher. And the judges are Mr. Benner Lanamai James, Mr. Cornelis Nana, Ms. Kishune Lana, Mr. Javi O. Vemai. I shall call out the names of the editorial team once again. Dr. K.H. Neil Young, Dr. Avive D, Newlanson Samuel Angam, M. Apau, Konyane, and Eliza. And the judges for PGT and Miss and Mr. Fresher, Mr. Benner Lanamai James, Mr. Cornelis Lana, Miss Kishune Lana, and Mr. Javi O. Vemai. Next, we have Spooner representative. Spooner representative, if you're here with us, kindly come up to the stage and receive this humble token of appreciation. And next we have the NSUD tribal units, for which I'd like the president or representative of the respective unions to kindly come over to the stage and receive this humble token of appreciation. I shall call out the names of the union: Anal Students Union Delhi, Anal Students Union Delhi, Angami Students Union Delhi, Angami Students Union Delhi, Chakisang Students Union Delhi, Chakisang Students Union Delhi, Chiru Students Union Delhi, Chiru Students Union Delhi, Chote Students Union Delhi, Chote Students Union Delhi, Inpui Students Union Delhi, Inpui Students Union Delhi, Lamkang Students Union Delhi, Lamkang Students Union Delhi, Mao Students Union Delhi, Mao Students Union Delhi, Maram Students Union Delhi, Maram Students Union Delhi, Maring Students Union Delhi, Maring Students Union Delhi, Mongsang Students Union Delhi, Mongsang Students Union Delhi, Moyon Students Union Delhi, Moyon Students Union Delhi, Pochuri Students Union Delhi, Pochuri Students Union Delhi, Rengma Students Union Delhi, Rengma Students Union Delhi, Sumi Students Union Delhi, Sumi Students Union Delhi, Tangkul Students Union Delhi, Tangkul Students Union Delhi, Tarao Students Union Delhi, Tarao Students Union Delhi, Tangal Students Union Delhi, Tangal Students Union Delhi, Ziliangrong Students Union Delhi, Ziliangrong Students Union Delhi, and Delhi Eastern Naga Students Union, Delhi Eastern Naga Students Union. We would also like to acknowledge our hosts for the day, Dr. Pavine Joyce and Dr. L.T. Vangam Rinya. Dr. Pavine Joyce and Dr. L.T. Vangam Rinya. The union would also like to acknowledge a few individuals who contributed to making this event a grand success. Sahana Lana for Warcry, Sahana Lana for Warcry, Pastor Shewa Sapuna, PBCD, Pastor Shewa Sapuna, PBCD. Daniel Kha, General Secretary of PNCMD. Daniel Kha, General Secretary of PNCMD. We also have our PBCD Choir Director, PBCD Choir Director. And may we also have the representative of Cultural Troupe. Representative of Cultural Troupe. Representative of Roots and Rhythms. Representative of Roots and Rhythm. We would also like to acknowledge Kine Jemima, Mavi Corson, our pianist for the event. Mavi Corson, our pianist. And Kaihyam Lu Gangmai, our violinist for the day. I'd also like to express my gratitude to all our guests, tribal units, and well-wishers, and all the Pumainas for sparing your valuable time and adding word to this program. We owe you. Thank you for joining us. We look forward to having you again in our upcoming programs and celebrations. Have a wonderful day ahead. Kalushore.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I give all praises and glory to God for granting us this beautiful day. Respected chief guests, guests of honor, well-wishers, my dear Pomainas, we really appreciate your presence here today. Before I begin my secretariat report, I would like to highlight a few details about the union. Currently, the union has 28 villages registered under the PNTMD, with a population over 2,500. Which comprise of families, working individuals, and students. Moving on to the Secretariat report. On 31st May, the Pomai Naga Tsudumai May held its first election at the United Free Church Kishangar. With active participation from members of the community, the event was conducted in a democratic manner, reflecting unity and collective responsibility among the Pomai community in Delhi. During the election, various key office bearers were duly elected, including the President, Vice President, General Secretary, Assistant General Secretary, Games and Sports Secretary, and the vacant posts were filled in due course of time. On 5th June, the union held its first general body meeting at Dwar Center, Safdarjung, in which community members came together and made a consensus decision to increase the registration fee of rupees 50 for both existing and freshers. Rupees 50 from the new members will be allocated to the PNTMD fund, and the remaining balance will be used to support regular activities like the Vedazunu, educational seminars, workshop, and sports meet. On 1st July, the union paid a courtesy visit to Spooner office. We interacted with Special CP Sir David Lalring Sangha, IPS, and Joint Commissioner of Police Shri Nabam Gunte. During the meeting, the PNTMD acknowledged and appreciated their unwavering commitment and advocacy for Northeastern community in the capital and beyond. The team commended the positive impact of their leadership in addressing the critical concerns affecting our people. On 11 July, the union also initiated an admission help desk headed by Vice President Mr. Daijo as the convener for the academic tenure 2025. The objective was to ensure assistance to students seeking admission in various universities or coaching institutions across Delhi NCR. On 16 August, the union also organized a lucky draw event in aid of our Vedazunu Kam Freshers Meet. A total of 1,500 tickets were sold, out of which 174 were left unsold. The union acknowledges all those who came forward to support the cause. 23rd August, the Pomai Naga Tsudumai may actively participate in the one-day mega blood donation organized by the NSUD in collaboration with Spooner and in association with AIMS and BLK Max Super Specialty Hospital. A total of 7 members from the PNTMD volunteered to donate blood during the event. Their participation reflects the unity, compassion, and social responsibility that the Pomai community upholds. The union expressed heartfelt appreciation to all the volunteers for their selfless contribution towards this noble cause. On 8 September, the union submitted a letter to the Home Secretary, Ministry of Home Affairs, for inclusion of POLA in the recruitment of upcoming central exams. The representation highlighted the need for a fair recognition and equal opportunities of the Pomai community within the central recruitment system. On 17 September, the union launched its first SSC coaching for its member at Pioneer Academy, GTB Nagar, Delhi. The initiative is the first of its kind by the union. The purpose of setting up the SSC coaching was to equip and guide students to appear for various government exams. With regard to this, 40 plus students registered themselves for the 3-month coaching program. The coaching program is fully funded by supportive individuals from the community. The union is also pleased to announce the release of its annual Putsa magazine under the theme Shifting Realities, Navigating Change in Pomai Society. The union also had 2 church outreach programs. The union also represented the Pomai community in 2 HRR meetings conducted by the NSUD. Last but not the least, I, on behalf of the PNTMD executive, would like to acknowledge the union members for their unconditional support and motivation. Our hearts are filled with gratitude. May the good Lord bless you and keep you safe. May you continue to do the good work even in the days to come. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. We have come to the close of the session. Before we close the session, may we all rise on our feet and relax once more? Yes, stretch for the last time. All right, thank you. You may take your seat. Yeah. Is that too fast? Okay, before I call up the next participants, I would like to say an announcement. There is a saying by Shashi Tharoor that if you are in an Indian street, you notice that everybody is busy, but nobody is on time. So this afternoon, it's unfortunate that we could not maintain punctuality, and we have reported to this hall 1.5 hours later to the scheduled timing. We are also a little bit disappointed with the attendance of the freshers. We have around 200 registered freshers, but only 15 of them turn up for the introduction. But this is not the end. We have a very intense second session, the informal session. For the next session, we request you to report here on time. The lunch break will be opened from 4 to 6 p.m. and we request the audience to strictly follow the timing. The venue for the lunch is Delhi United Christian Senior Secondary School. It's a little walking distance away from here towards the Emmanuel Baptist Church before reaching the church. So the volunteers will guide the invitees and our guests of honors and chief guests. And for the audience, we request you to be on time and report here by 6 p.m. sharp. The organizing committee will not be responsible in case the lunch is not available for you. Right? Okay, so for the final performance, we'll be hearing a soulful rendition from Ms. Jamima and her friends. Ms. Jamima is a singer and a passionate vocal teacher. She is a certified teacher in advanced choral singing, conducted by the Associate Board of Royal Schools of Music. She has also served as the choir director of Pomai Baptist Church, Delhi, 2017 to 2024. She will be accompanied by Ms. Keihamliu Gangmei. She is from Romai community. She is a violinist and a passionate music teacher in Delhi NCR. And accompanying Ms. Jamima and Keihamliu Gangmei is Mr. Mevi. He is a dedicated Christian youth and a passionate worship leader in Pomai Baptist Church, Delhi. Now I call upon Ms. Jamima and her friends to take the stage. May I request everyone to kindly be on their feet as Ms. Jemima presents her song. This is the anthem of the Pomanaga tribe. So if you know the song, you can join along.
Check. If you know how to harmonize, I'd really appreciate if you do and sing with us. Thank you.
Hãy subscribe 是不买车来，就开送的温度来让你生气，给朋友流淌，是好我就把给，一不买。
Thank you so much for the soul-stirring musical performance, Miss Kine and her co. As we draw the first session of this memorable function to a close, we extend our gratitude to everyone who has contributed to making it so special. Our esteemed guests, performers, and most importantly, our vibrant freshers who have just begun their journey with us. To seek blessing and grace for the rest of the evening, we now invite Mr. Daniel Carr, General Secretary, PNCMD, to lead us in a benediction prayer.
Let's all bow in prayers. In the name of the Father, and Son, and the Holy Spirit. God, our Heavenly Father, we thank you for lifting our Pomoi tribe far beyond our expectations. Once unknown and unrecognized, today you have now blessed us with countless professionals and officers excelling in various fields, yet deeply rooted in strong Christian faith. Thank you, Lord, for your unfailing love, guidance, and blessings that you have made it possible for us to complete the first session of this 36th PNTMD Freshers event. Every success we have witnessed is by your grace, and every joy we share is a gift from your loving hands. And as we move into the next session, we earnestly invite your holy presence to remain with us. Lead us with your wisdom, strengthen us by your Spirit, and fill our hearts with peace, joy, and purpose. Let everything we do bring honor and glory to your holy name. Gracious Father, we lift up to you all the Pomoi pioneers in Delhi who have united us under the banner of PNTMD, as well as the executives, organizers, and everyone who has worked tirelessly behind the scenes. You alone know the sacrifices and efforts. Bless them abundantly, Lord. Renew the strength, reward their faithfulness, and fill their hearts with joy and fulfillment in serving you and the community. Dear Lord, may this gathering be more than just a celebration. Let it be a time of awakening, reflection, and renewal. Unite us as one family, bound by love, respect, and understanding. Help us to care for one another, to lift each other up, and to walk together in the light of your truth. May this event inspire every heart to seek you more deeply and to live each day with faith, hope, and purpose. We make this prayer in the loving and powerful name of our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Amen.
Kalau sure my wish in your tele, pomai we tele pa new, Jovu Freshers Meet Vedau Juna 2025 hanahi tavelu successfully sa bipuiva zenu. Kalau sure my wish. Kindly make your way to the Delhi United Christian Senior Secondary School for the lunch.